we got Mason over here mocking up some pipe cut, and that's so you can put a stock charge pipe up there, which we have done, but it doesn't line up anywhere near there. Oh, and this is the charge pipe. So that's going to go up there, and you have to put it in an angle where you can go ahead and take the pipe and finagle them so my charge pipe goes at an angle like that. The reason is because Fab Matt didn't have time because he's changing locations, and I didn't get back to Massachusetts between the 14th to 15th, and I also didn't hit him up. That is the ECS pipe. Putting it under, and you can see right when he puts it up there. Hey, is it bolted up?
Put the bolt on now.
Because it angles to the
Back.
well, how you took it, how you put it up in the coupling. It angles towards my shifter cables. So you maybe have to turn it.
I want to go.
It's gonna be close to those shifter cables.
Yeah, that's how it is. It just sits right there.
Yeah, fucking sucks. Look at it. This is Mason's mock-up, and in my opinion, looks really nice. It doesn't look good right there because of this camera, but you know what I mean? Let me see this flashlight. It sucks when you put the light right on it, but we're gonna go ahead and weld it up and see what it looks like after. If it doesn't look so good, we're just gonna go ahead and heat wrap it.
So I can ship it.
We're just making it work. That's it, you guys. Alright guys, so far this is what it's looking like. Doesn't look pretty like, you know, some of the artists that are out there doing shit on Instagram, but we're just basically closing them up and grinding it so it looks like this. And this is just a temporary fix so we can get it going and driving and whatnot, but we're not going into boost, so, but who knows, it might even hold during boost once it's all done. I think I'm just gonna wrap it up with some, what is that stuff called? Heat tape?
Well, you can do heat tape or fucking the titanium wrap if you want to, the exhaust wrap.
Probably do exhaust wrap. Now I have to say, Mason did a really good job fabbing it. We just, well, I did. I ground down all the welds and checked inside. So far so good, just for a temporary fix, you know. This is an original intercooler piping with another mocked up intercooler piping that he ended up cutting pie cuts out of. That other piece is actually sitting right there next to Lexi. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? You're a good girl. And then that's the other MPX pipe that I'll be putting right up under there in front of the intercooler. Pipe attached to this piece, this side, which is gonna be the hot side of the intercooler. They call this a charge pipe. I call it a hot pipe. Comes right off the turbo. Either or. There we go, you guys. Just gotta let it dry. It's not bad. Ooh. Don't want to drop it, but I want to flip it over, show you guys. Not bad. If we take a look, this is how we are. It's still giving space for my shifter cables, and that's a good thing. So you can see it bends right here and goes right into the coupling. Seems like the top of the pipe is right there, because it seems like I still have about an inch between the bottom of the compressor and that, but we'll go ahead and see how a clamp looks on there. Alright, so I'm going to take this, put it around. I'm going to put it like right above the bottom of the coupler, probably about 1/4 of an inch. I wish I had some hairspray, but I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna take my Milwaukee 1/4 inch. I'm gonna hold it where it needs to be. Okay, I think we're good. And just like that, you guys, we're now tight to my precision. Looking good, Mason.